This is Terms Fox's demo of the Legal Trust Summary product. So let's start with the problem. What I found as both a seller and then someone who's run sales orgs is that sellers are incredibly well resourced when it comes to the evaluation process. They have demos, technical documentation, business cases, and mutual action plans, except incredibly not well resourced when it comes time for contracting and legal. Common refrain you'll hear is send the customer the order form, a link to our online terms, just tell them it's standard and that we don't accept any changes. However, the reality is that a lot of this job ends up being getting the customer who's comfortable with your product and their lawyer who's comfortable with the law but not the product on the same page to get through contracting and legal. This is why we built the Legal Trust Center. It provides all the resources and information multiple parties need to get consensus on your contracting and legal posture. You'll find front and center all of the resources that a customer may need. Then there's a terms explainer so that even somebody without a legal background can quickly get up to speed on what your terms are saying and why. Simple contracting FAQs so that customers can understand questions that are important to them about your legal posture. And lastly, plain English descriptions of product information so that a lawyer who's not familiar with your product can get up to speed on what the offering is so that they can assess the level of risk they're willing to accept in your terms and why your terms are written the way they are. As you'll notice, all this information is gated and put behind tags that you can flag on or off to let people into the resource center or not. Thanks for listening, and if you'd like to give it a try, please contact us through the website.